Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to trade futures on Thinkorswim. First, you'll need to ensure your account is approved for futures trading, which often involves a separate application. Once approved, navigate to the Trade tab and select Futures Trader or use the Active Trader interface. This platform offers real-time data and advanced charting tools to help you identify potential opportunities. Remember, futures trading carries significant risk, so start with a clear strategy and proper risk management. To place a futures order, first locate the specific contract you want to trade, like E-mini S and P500 futures. You can find these by typing the symbol into the search bar or browsing the futures list. Next, choose your order type. A limit order lets you set a specific price, while a market order executes immediately at the best available price. Always double-check your order quantity and the total estimated cost before confirming the trade to avoid errors. Effective risk management is paramount in futures trading. Always consider placing a stop-loss order when entering a trade. This automatically closes your position if the price moves against you beyond a certain point. Thinkorswim's advanced charting features allow you to perform in-depth technical analysis, helping you spot trends and support or resistance levels. Regularly review your account's margin requirements to ensure you maintain sufficient capital and avoid unexpected margin calls. Thinkorswim offers several advanced features to enhance your futures trading. The paper money registered platform is an excellent tool for practicing new strategies without risking real capital. You can also use the Analyze tab to simulate potential trades and understand their profit and loss implications before committing. This helps refine your approach and build confidence. For more helpful resources and great deals, including a link to the Oala water bottle, make sure to check out the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.